Best customer service apps for Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. We hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will showcase some of the best apps for customer service that you can use with Shopify and dive into them a little bit and showcase the features that they are going to provide you. This way you can, end up seeing also the summary at the end of the screen and end up deciding which one you want to go for. Now, to get started, these are all going to be basically apps that are going to help you to chat with your customers and also provide the support that you need to provide with them. And also things like FAQ builders and so on. So there's going to be a lot of elements to them. So let's just go ahead and get started. And obviously to add any app to Shopify, you want to go ahead and access the Shopify App Store. And to do so, you want to go to the main dashboard here and you want to click on apps. And you basically want to open up the Shopify App Store by clicking on all recommended apps and clicking on Shopify App Store from here. Once this opens up, we can just begin and talk about the first app that we have, which is Gorgeous or Gorgeous. I think they're going for gorgeous, but they end up changing the letters for it. So it's pretty much Gorgeous like this. And if you open it up, you should find it like this. It's a black type of logo with is that orange? I'm not even sure. That kind of squarish logo to it. So you can find it right away if you just search up the name, and we can begin by talking about it. So, empowering brands to grow through AI-powered CX. If you don't know what CX is, it stands for customer experience. And before we even read more about it, Gorgeous is actually very popular and people like it a lot because it actually provides many different features. So it is a popular app out there in Shopify, which is going to help you exactly with what you need, which is, customer service or customer support. Now, how does it actually do that? We also, can read through the steps here or the different features that it actually provides us. So every conversation all in one place is pretty much their motto. You can just open up the Gorgeous app and speak or, chat with your customers all in one place with different apps that you can connect. And you can actually read here, you can connect up to 100 plus apps into Gorgeous, which is going to be pretty great to set up. So if you're using, you can actually see the different apps that it works with, and there's a lot more to it. So automate your customer support. So you can actually go ahead and use automations with Gorgeous. It is also an easy to set up AI for on-brand messaging. Turn shoppers into repeat customers and increase GMV with personalized campaigns. So you can feel free to create campaigns so you can obviously send them out to your customers so they can, return and purchase more from your Shopify. And obviously these are extras aside from the main point, which is going to be communicating with your customers. Now, we also have the different pricing plans here. So it starts from $10 with the starter plan. It goes to the basic plan for $60 a month. And we also have pro plan and advanced plan for more. Usually it's going to be the tickets that are going to be increasing. So these are going to be the set of things that are going to really make a difference between the pro plan and basic plan and also the starter plan, even though this is, you don't really get much with the starter plan. Moving on, we have Tidio. If you just search up Tidio, we also have this app, which is even more popular than the previous one. It is, used by many, as you can see the different ratings that we have here. It's around 2,000 ratings, which are mostly positive. So you can actually see how powerful this tool is. So Tidio live chat and AI chat bots. So this actually does use Lero chat bot, which is an AI, and is going to help you with that. And you also have ticketing and more. So obviously, again, this is going to be for customer service. And we can read more about it and the key points to talk to your visitors on live chat, quickly solve problems, and sell proactively. We'll also have work alongside our Lero AI bot to automatically solve your customers' questions. So you can actually use AI to help with that using Lero AI chat bot. We also have preview cards, check order history, and recommended products directly in the chat, which is obviously great to sort of help with the purchases and things like that, and also to help solve any disputes that you have with your customers, which makes things a lot easier. And you also have more things like added different features that you can use aside from the main one. And again, we also have the different pricing points. It actually is going to start with the free plan, and you can get, quite a few conversations with 50 users, and also some ticketing and stuff. But this is going to be more like testing things out before you actually dive deep into the subscriptions, which is going to be customer service, flows, or Lero AI chatbot. So you can actually go ahead and see which one is going to suit you best. But obviously, this is going to be the main one, and also this if you need to use the AI one as well. So this is a very, very great customer service app that you can also use for Shopify. Next up, we also have another very popular one, which is going to be Chatty. So we can actually go and look up Chatty, and you will be able to see it right away. And this one also uses AI, and I believe in our list this is the most popular one that we have, which is Chatty, AI Live, and FAQs. So if you open this up again, we can read more about it. You can actually see that this is actually going to be using ChatGPT v4 to help you out with your live chat. And you can actually see support that grows with your business: live chat, AI chat bot, messenger chat for Facebook, FAQs, and help centers. There's plenty to offer, and obviously the different apps that you can use, like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, email, and more apps as well. And to read through the different elements, live chat and AI chatbot provide instant support to engage with customers. You can actually create FAQ hubs to obviously let or add questions and answers right away, so people the general asked questions or the mostly asked questions are going to be answered automatically for people before they decide to go for chatting. And then we also have more elements like beautiful chat widgets and more things like order tracking to obviously help with the customer support. And you also get a mobile app, which is obviously extremely great. So you can actually access it at any point. And then if we go to the actual pricing plans, you do have three different ones. The first one is for free, and you actually do get quite a lot with the free plan, surprisingly. So you actually do get quite a lot. And then we also have basic plan, which is $20 a month pretty much. And we also have the pro plan as well. And you can feel free to compare them if you want to. And lastly, we have SB Help Center AI FAQ live chat. Again, this is a very popular one. So this is also going to be a very powerful tool for customer service. And you can actually read more about it here. Turn conversations into conversions, and you can actually see AI SEO friendly FAQ builder. So another AI one is going to help you with live chat and also help desk. And this is also going to use Chat GPT-4 to help with your live chat and so on. So again, we can read through it, create a separate FAQ page, help center, knowledge base, and product FAQs with Chat GPT. You can actually see we have different 25 plus different templates for FAQ pages and also more widgets here. Omnichannel support for live chat like Facebook Messenger, help desk, chatbot, and more widgets. Self-service, and you can improve always the customer service support, during other types of sales and stuff, which is all going to be in a app that you can get. The pricing plans for SB are going to range from free, and then you also get a few, but you can obviously charge more for additional tickets. If you don't want to go for a plan, you can just go for the free one, and then you're going to be getting 10 tickets per month. But if you want to add more tickets, you can increase that with this price. And then we can also go for the basic plan, which is going to add more with GPT-4. So with the free plan, you won't have access to that. And then we also have standard and advanced plan. Each is going to have its set of features that are available for them. Now, I'm just, these are the different apps that I'm going to showcase, but I also created this little summary for the apps. So if you want to pause the video and see which one is going to be better for you, I have, app, price, and also the highlights for them. Now, obviously, when it comes to which one is the most popular, Chatty is going to be the one that's most popular, and Gorgeous is the least. But that does not really, change the facts. You can just feel free to read more about them, see which one is going to suit you best, and go for it. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.